everybody, J-Bo here with BTP Bad Tree Productions, and we're at the downtown satellite shop, open air garage, beautiful downtown McGregor. Yep. Anyway, today is sandblasting day, and we sat around one night having a couple beers. We made up a list of about 50 items that we wanted to sandblast. Well, somewhere along the line I think we lost the list, and we've only been able to come up with maybe a fraction of the items. But yeah, we're gonna do these valve covers here. I got this antique floor grate that needs to be done. Ty's got some intake exhaust manifolds for a Slant 6 that he wants to clean up and make look nice. And I think all I found was just a kind of a plain old pair of valve covers. They're kind of rusty and ugly looking. Yeah, there's a dent in this one too, but whatever. There's exhaust, there's intake. He's got a couple of sets that he wants to do. So, and these need a little bit more work yet, but pain and suffering. Typical BTP fashion, we've got to fix all our tools first before we get to actually using them. Right, Tybo? Right. So we're gonna get back at it. Oh, here's something kind of cool. It's a Versaflo face shield. This will keep all the sand out of your hair, out of your face. And it's a powered, you press this here, it starts a little, oh, not an air compressor, but an air blower. Then it actually blows cool air down this port here right in front of your face. So as you're breathing in there, the shield doesn't get all fogged up, so it's really nice. I use one of these at work. I actually picked the helmet up on it at an auction. I bought this part here on eBay for, no, it was like 250 bucks. But it came with two batteries, a battery charger. Yeah, right here. So this battery here is charging. But anyway, it really is nice. Instead of a regular face shield, 250 bucks sounds like a lot, but these things retail for about 1,200 bucks. So 250, pretty good deal. A friend of mine used it in his body shop, and he really enjoyed it. So anyway, it's gotten some use, so that's good. So anyway, we're gonna get back at it, and yeah, stay tuned. All right, we're back. We tapped into our zombie apocalypse / COVID supply cabinet and picked up a Tyvek suit for Ty. What do they call it? Tyvek suit. They name after you, Ty?
Yeah.
It's a Tybo suit. Anyway, here we go. We got all our stuff set up that we're going to sandblast. It looks like valve covers, intake, exhaust manifolds, some aluminum valve covers are there. There's Ty ready to go. He's all suited up. He's got his powered. How's that feel? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, blows nice and cool air on your face, kind of?
Yeah.
Don't fog up.
Yeah.
So anyway, the idea is, you know, keep the sand out of him. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and fire this thing up. We'll keep you posted. All right, we're about halfway done with all our parts. So there's what we got finished so far, and here's what we've got left yet. Anyway, that was a 100-pound bag of sand. You can kind of reclaim it and use it again, maybe 2 times. And you'd be pressing your luck with 3 times because, yeah, the sand starts to get round, you know, instead of square, sharp square. But anyway, how do you feel?
Pretty good. I like that helmet.
Right.
The air going in there, and that, yeah, it's gonna work good.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hands are a little tired from holding the thing open.
Right. But yeah, sometimes I've just taped the dead man switch open and just like tape it to a stick or whatever, and that way you're away from it a little bit more. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna run over and get some more sand. So be back. Yeah, a little bit of road construction. So we're kind of waiting in line. That's kind of the way it goes. Every time we go, go spend a half hour, 45 minutes to do a job, it ends up taking how long now, Ty? 2-3 hours? Yeah. So anyway, patiently waiting. All right, here we are back for round 2, and I was going to jump with the suit, but Ty decided to get right in there, so I don't know. He's kind of a glutton for punishment. Anyway, we got the sun up there now too, so it's really beating down on us, really making a guy hot in that suit, right, Ty?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right, we're going to power it up and take off. All right, stay tuned. All right, we're back at it. Yep. A bag of sand. It really does quick work of that valve cover. Pretty nice. All right, looks like he's developing quite a rhythm. His skills are becoming more defined, I guess. Yeah, look at him go. That's something. Good job, Ty. Oh. You see how he jumped from that valve cover right to that intake manifold? That's just amazing. Yeah, it looks as though he's almost he's sandblast toning the intake. That's pure genius right there, folks. Wow, thank God I've got a Notchback. So now both ends of the car are like a workbench. You couldn't do this with a fastback. I'm gonna cut a little piece of screen for my funnel. That's what the screen looks like. Anyway, I didn't want to spend like 13 bucks on a roll of screen. I went over to True Value and asked the guys if they do the screen repair, screen door repair. Hey, you guys got any scrap screen? They go, yeah, sure we do. I go, I just need a little piece of it. Anyway, they gave me this. Well, what do I owe you? What do I owe you? Nothing. You just take it. Well, thanks, buddy. That's pretty nice of them guys. This stuff don't like to. Yeah, this is fiberglass. There we go. Just gonna cut a little piece here to fit on this funnel. I'm still going at it with the sandblaster. I'll put this here. Yeah, maybe I'll cut this down a little bit. I'll cut it right about here. Just scratch my primer. Damn it. There you have it. You got enough tape, you can just build anything. There we have it. What do you think of that?
Pretty nice.
Not too bad. Brand new Slant 6. What? Exhaust manifold. This thing goes to the house. Kind of an old house. But anyway. It took us about, what, I don't know, 2 hours maybe? Well, it took us 4 hours to do what should have been done in, about 2 hours. So anyway, yeah. Yeah, we had fun doing it, I guess. Right, Ty? Fun?
Oh, yeah.
Fun?
Yeah.
Ty feels good about himself because he hasn't really worked hard in about, what, the past 10 years or so. He's been retired.
6
so.
years.
6 years, but whatever. So, yeah. A little personal satisfaction there, right, bud?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're going to try a graphite coating on the exhaust manifolds.
Okay.
To see how that works. I've heard about it. No one knows how long it lasts for, but we're going to try it and see how it works.
Okay. So that'll allow a little bit of slip, right?
Yeah, I actually graphited all the fittings and the little triangular washers, so
Okay.
they'll slide back and forth easy on there.
Right. So there you go. Make your Slant 6 manifolds work
Why?
better. Yeah. So anyway, that's going to do it for us, I guess, on today's episode. So anyway, have a good day.